Hello traders, this is a technical analysis video and a tutorial on how to trade the CPI. What I did is go over all the CPI announcements and the following price action from January until June of 2023, and there was a lot of commonalities, and I took the main lessons and I'm going to give them to you. In the first video I will just give you the lessons and the trading plan for tomorrow. It will be a relatively short video, and in the second video I will go over examples of each CPI announcement, and the following sessions I will explain exactly what happened, and I'm 100% confident that if you will go through the second video with me, you will be prepared, you will be confident, you will know what to do and when to do it. But first, let me get across all the lessons. The lesson number one is take profit. CPI announcement session is not for holding, it's not for building a swing position, it is for taking profits immediately, because price action can change on a dime very quickly. Second lesson is that usually the first move is the false move, meaning that it could be a pump and a dump, or it could be the other way around, a dump and a pump. But the first move is the false move. This is in every CPI announcement, without fail, okay? Third lesson, sell the range high and buy the range low. Sell the range high, buy the range low. Don't be afraid, okay? Fourth lesson is that core CPI is more important than regular inflation rate year over year. Sixth lesson, if you don't already have a solid position with a good entry, it is better to enter these sessions flat and try to catch one move. And the last lesson, and the most important lesson, that I wish that somebody told me when I was beginning to trade, is that if you don't know what's going on, if you are not confident, if you are not 100% sure in your moves, skip this session. Just sit down and watch the chart and learn. Don't trade unless you are 100% sure about what you are doing. Now for the trading plan for tomorrow. Tomorrow CPI and core inflation rate is expected to drop severely, meaning that the inflation rate year over year is expected to drop from 4% to 3.1 or 3.2%. And core inflation includes housing and food. Core inflation rate is expected to drop from 5.3% to 5%. Now, it is an ambitious goal in my opinion, and the scenario that I am getting myself ready for is that inflation will drop, but not as much as expected. And what I'm expecting, if this eventuality occurs, is a dump to the range low or below the range low, followed by a pump. If this happens, I will be a buyer at the range low with the invalidation of 28,740, and I will be a seller at the range high and at intervals above the range high. For example, I will sell some of my position in 31,500, and afterwards I will keep taking profit as price action advances. Okay? Now, the second eventuality that may happen tomorrow is that inflation numbers will be in line with expectations. And if that occurs, I expect a pump first to the range high. Do you see these wicks here? These are all stop losses. There is liquidity here above the range high, so I'm expecting a move above the range high and an almost instant drop to the range low. This is the main lessons in short and the trading plan for tomorrow. In the next video, I will go over each and every CPI announcement and the following trading session. I know you are busy. I know that sometimes you don't have patience, maybe because of my accent, maybe I'm talking too slow, but I did this for you, my fellow traders and brothers, because I think it's important and it will make you confident and it will help you tomorrow. So if you have time, stick around for the next video. If not, I would like to wish you well success in your trading tomorrow, in every day, and I hope to see you in the next video.